All right, action, people. All right, here we go. Page 13. Page 13 with me. So we already have multiply and divide rational, right? Now we move on to addition and subtraction. Today we only work with rational expression or fraction that have the same denominator. Let's make a little tiny review right here, class, for a simple add fraction, add and subtract fraction. For example, if I have 2 over 15, I'm going to add with 8 over 15. Did you see they have the same denominator, right? If they have the same denominator, we're going to keep the denominator for our answer. So I'm going to keep the denominator. Right. And then I simplify the answer. But first of all, I'm going to add the numerator. There we go. So 2 plus 8, I have 10. So right here, I have 10 over 15. So I'm going to simplify them. So 10 and 15, what do they share? They share 5. So I'm going to divide it by 5. Remember, any number end with 0 or 5, always divide by 5. So if I'm divided by 5, this one I have 2 over 3. And this is your answer. Okay? That's your answer right there. So we're going to use exactly the same step for rational expression. These are simple fractions. This is rational expression because they have polynomial. They have monomial, binomial, and trinomial. We're going to see later. Same idea right here. Here we go. Same denominator. So I'm going to keep it. I will keep the denominator. And then I'm going to combine the numerator using the math operation given. This is addition. So I have 2x minus 3 plus x minus 1. Okay. So here, I will have, just simplify them. 2x plus 1x is 3x. Combine like term. Okay. X minus 5. There. And check to see if you can simplify them. Check. In this case, I cannot because I cannot factor anything at the numerator. This is prime. 3 and 4, they don't share anything. So that's it. This is your answer. Okay. Now let's move to this one. So I will have same denominator again. Just keep it. Just keep the same denominator. I have x plus 1. And then put the numerator together. So I have x squared minus 4x plus 7x plus 2. There we go. And here, I'm going to simplify the numerator. X squared, this, I have 3x plus 2. Everything over x plus 1. Always factor the trinomial, guys. So factor this for me. What do we got? What do we got right here? I still have x plus 1 here. So x here. And what is the sign I should put here? Plus, they both plus. 2, you have only one choice. 1, 2. And you can put it anywhere. Because they have the same sign. So the order doesn't matter. So right here, did you see that after you factor them out? From here These are combined. You got this here. That's your numerator, right? So now I'm going to cross this out. So what left is your answer. There we go. That's all left. All right. Here, let's do a subtract. Subtract, you have to be really, really careful. Okay, class? Same denominator. I just repeat right here. There. Now this is the first numerator, 2x squared plus 7x minus 11. This one right here. Subtract. I'm going to go really slow right here. Really slow right here. Subtract x squared plus 4x minus 1. For subtraction, please always rewrite them. Addition is easy. But subtraction, make sure you write this. Why? Because the subtract, the negative will distribute for every single term in here. So all of this will change sign. Okay, it's minus x squared plus minus 4x, minus 4x plus 1. There. All the sign will change because of the subtract. There we go. This is after you distribute the negative in. And now I'm going to combine line term here first. Okay, combine line term. 2x squared minus x squared, I have 1x squared left. 7x minus 4x, I have 3x left. Negative 11 plus 1, negative 11 plus 1, I have negative 10. There. So this is my numerator. Okay, this is my numerator. So let me repeat it right here. My denominator. What do they share, class? Can we do it right here? What is my common factor for my denominator? I have 2. Okay. I have x plus 5 left in here. So this is my denominator. In factor form, I have this. There we go. And then this is my numerator after I simplify them. There we go. Again, please factor the numerator. What do we got? Now C negative now. Okay, C negative. Right, what we got? X. Minus and plus, or plus minus, okay, minus plus, okay. Then what do I have? 10 to get back 3. Is 2 and 5 work? 2 and 5. Which one positive, which one negative? Which one positive, which one negative? So B is positive. So the bigger number have to be here. Right? And the bigger number is, you have 10 is 110, 2, 5. That's it. So the bigger number is 5. 2, 5 gives you back 3. So I have positive 5 and negative 2. Right. And by factoring both numerator and denominator, you can simplify them. See? X plus 5 and x plus 5. So I have x minus 2 over 2. And please do not cross out the 2. That's why I always want you to put parentheses around binomial. You cannot cross out 2 right here. There we go. Right. Let's do one more example class. So right here, I'm going to do the last example right here when you have subtract. All the example we just did, the numerator is more complicated than the denominator. Denominator is just binomial. Now look at these three problems. The denominator is trinomial. Numerator is just binomial. So I'm going to try this one with you right here. Again, I'm going to repeat. They have the same denominator, so I just rewrite them. There. Then I combine the numerator using the operation given. So right here I have subtract. Again, please pay attention to subtraction. There. Always do this step. Do not skip this step. And then right here I have 3x. This one distribute in. This one distribute in. I will have minus 1x minus 2. Okay, so let's finish the numerator. So I have 3x minus 1x. I have 2x minus 2. Let's do all the numerator first. Simplify factor them class. So they share 2. So I have x minus 1 left. There you go. That is my numerator after simplify factor. Now let's look at the denominator. Factor them out. Factor them out. What do we got? X here, x here. And same thing. C negative. I'm going to do it again. Negative C. So they have 1 plus, 1 minus. Okay? And because B negative, so the bigger number have to be negative. Again, 2, you only have one option. 1, 2. The bigger number have to be negative. There we go. All right. So let's check right here. Do it correctly? Yes. Check it right here. Negative x, negative 2. So I will have 2x minus 2. Alright, here we go. Then I will bring it over here. I have x plus 1 and x minus 2. Alright. Here. I want you to look at this example. Let me write it again. There we go. Okay. Can we simplify anything? Is there anything the same? No, right? So do not overlook it and cross out this one, because you always think that we can simplify something, right? Do not overlook it. Check carefully. This is x minus 1. This is x plus 1. You cannot simplify them. Okay? There, that's your answer. Okay. Go ahead, finish this page class. You have only 3 problems left. And then you have only 5 problems online. Similar like this. Okay, try it. 3 here and 5 online.